I'm Dave Crofts, CEO of Filter8, and initially the inventor of the device that you see before you, which we designed early on of COVID to actually be very, very useful in eliminating bacteria and infections. As you can see from the first prototype, we started off with a square box and a fan, and we knew that what we had to do was eliminate bacteria by using LEDs rather than bulbs. We had to somehow create a residence time within the device to make it efficient in neutralising bacteria and anything else that went through there. And that developed even further to using sensors, so we could actually control the device. We could actually see what was going off. We could see also the type of infection, the type of bacteria, or the particulates within a room.
I'm Julian Fedek, I'm the technical manager for Filter8. I was brought in to take this as a prototype to this for production. So I project managed the whole project in terms of manufacturing and development. When I came in to Filter8, we had an idea what the box actually did, or the physical attributes of the box were, but we couldn't validate it, we couldn't prove it. And the first time we tried to prove this is we sent it to a laboratory in Ireland at a cost of somewhere near £30,000. And the results were a little disappointing. Not too bad, but disappointing for what we thought we actually had. The logical solution was to look at this in the virtual world.
With SolidWorks Flow Simulation, we could actually see that we had to tweak things. We weren't 100%. We didn't think we were, but we certainly weren't at 100%. By constantly calculating the airflow, we improved efficiency by over 20%. We were able to do those modifications, any tweaks, there in front of you and see the benefit straight away.
We went on to looking at what happened within a room environment. So when we actually did the simulation in a room, we could actually see where the airflow was actually being disrupted and how the airflow was being turned, and that was really key as well. So we'd already got some validation on this original box, and then we looked at what the airflow would be like in a room, and now we could disrupt that and actually get air back into this, contaminated air back into the unit.
And we're able to calculate within a room of a certain size how long it would take to change. It transformed our whole thinking, and it moved from there to the design.
When we went from this to this, and we had an industrial design house design this, we picked somebody that used SolidWorks and also could take the actual simulation results and interpret those and put them into this box. We wanted something that was timeless. I think we wanted something that was fairly timeless but could be adapted for trends. So yes, the material itself, a sustainable plastic, which is all based on bamboo. The front is bamboo, and the plastic is actually a bamboo filler as well. So it's a 89% recyclable, which was something that again was picked through SolidWorks materials, because that was actually key, was sustainability and also obviously manufacturing.
We now know we have achieved the maximum that we can get out of this device and that it works. We've achieved through SolidWorks the final product that we are looking for investment to take forward to the next level. SolidWorks Flow Simulation for me was a fantastic eye-opener. To be able to look at something you have created and to actually see others using the flow simulation to describe and demonstrate how something works is absolutely amazing. But more important than that, SolidWorks demonstrates that actually we're all human, and you might think that you've got perfection, but SolidWorks will achieve perfection for you.